Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to unlock Lexus ES350 with dead battery, full guide. First, remove the mechanical key from the fob and unlock the door manually, then open the hood and locate the battery terminals. Next, position jumper cables correctly, connect positive then negative, and have a helper start the donor car. After the engine runs, wait a few minutes before disconnecting cables and test the key fob for normal remote operation. To access the mechanical key, press the small release and slide the metal key out gently. Use that key to turn the driver door lock and open the car without power. Once inside, pull the hood release and prop the hood securely so you can reach the battery. If the key fob shows low power, prioritize jump starting the battery before attempting remote unlock or starting the engine. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It hears voice commands and cleans while you tinker, so you can focus on cars instead of dust bunnies. It's a handy garage buddy and saves time after a messy battery swap. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When jump starting, ensure both cars are off and in park with parking brakes set. Attach red clamp to the dead battery positive terminal and then to the donor positive terminal, then attach the black clamp to donor negative and a clean metal ground on the Lexus chassis. Start the donor car and wait several minutes, then try starting your Lexus. Remove clamps in reverse order and test that the key fob remote locks and unlocks normally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.